The surprising truth about veggie blood sugar spikes. 1. Carrots. Not just for rabbits. Their natural sugars can affect blood glucose levels. 2. Sweet potato surprise. Despite being a healthy choice, sweet potatoes can elevate blood sugar. 3. Beetroot boost. This earthy delight might lead to unexpected spikes in blood sugar. 4. Peas please, be cautious, as peas contain starches that can impact blood glucose. 5. Corn conundrum. This veggie's high carbohydrate content can cause blood sugar spikes. 6. Parsnip pitfall. Often overlooked, parsnips can unexpectedly raise blood sugar levels. 7. Butternut squash shock. This popular veggie can have a surprising effect on blood sugar. 8. Pumpkin predicament. Although nutritious, pumpkin can still lead to blood sugar spikes. 9. Turnip tail. While low in calories, turnips can still impact blood glucose levels. 10. Plantain puzzler. Watch out for this starchy veggie. It can elevate blood sugar unexpectedly.